I'm sorry I'm late. Traffic. How are you?
As good as anyone can be, I guess. What did you want to talk about?
I want us to be friends. I know that we parted on bad terms, but I miss you.
You left me, and all I got was a note that said, I'm sorry. There were no goodbyes, and for 3 months there was nothing. No calls, nothing to explain why you did what you did.
I know I can't make up for all of that, and I know I hurt you really bad. But is there any way we can start over?
Okay, yeah, I'm hurting. But I know I don't want to go back to see what could have been between us. And I know that I'll be okay. But I'm not ready to let you back in, even just as friends. But this time, at least one of us will get to say goodbye. So, goodbye.